show you guys how I animated the logo for Cardboard. So firstly, I just got the regular rectangles and just like I parented it with a null, which I can control necessary wherever I want. So this becomes the global transform for this. And especially I offsetted and animated the position on y-axis in your rectangle score, right? And then to get the circular effect, I did the CC cylinder effect with rotation YMA keyframe. So that's for this part, right? So the next part is for the logo itself. I actually just added a few keyframes for position, scale, and opacity. And then the text is just a normal preset from the library, which I offset the position. This पछि I added the gradient map. The cardboard को brand guidelines follow गर्नलाई. Let me know what you guys think about this simple edit.